brand opportunities, you can work with brands to create content specific to their campaigns or to be featured on their social media. Influencer marketing, you can promote your products and services to your audience by working with brands as an influencer. It is important to remember that to make money on Instagram, you need to have a fairly large and relevant following. Creating track requires time and effort, but by consistently publishing high-quality content, your audience and interact with Instagram stories, and Instagram can be done by using features such as hashtag. In addition, it is important to disclose sponsored posts or affiliate links according to the FTC guidelines. So how can you grow your Instagram account? Publish regularly and consistently to engage your audience. Use relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience. Interact with other users by commenting and liking their posts. Use Instagram stories to give your followers a behind-the-scenes look at your brand or business. Collaborate with other users or brands to reach new audiences. Use Instagram analytics to track your performance and adjust your strategy accordingly. Share user-generated content to create a sense of community around your account. Publish engaging and high-quality content that aligns with your niche and target audience. April. Optimize your profile using a clear profile picture, biography, and contact information. Use Instagram ads to reach a wider audience. Here are a few tips on how to get sponsorship for your Instagram account. Create a large and relevant following. Sponsors are more likely to work with accounts that have a large and relevant following. Create high-quality content. Sponsors want to work with accounts that produce high-quality content that is compatible with their brand. Define April your niche. Having a clear niche and target audience will make it easier for sponsors to see how your account aligns with their brand. Collaborate with other brands. Collaborating with other brands and tagging them in your posts can help you get noticed by potential sponsors. Use Instagram analytics. Use Instagram analytics to track your performance, show your participation, and reach potential sponsors. Creating a media set. A media set is a document that contains information about your account, such as your follow count, participation rate, and demographic information. It also contains information about your content and the types of sponsored posts you have made in the past. Reach out to potential sponsors. Look for brands that are compatible with your niche and target audience and reach out to them to discuss potential sponsorship. April. Be persistent and professional. Sponsors receive many pitches from influencers, so sponsoring can take time. Be persistent and professional in your communication with brands. Be creative and flexible. Many brands are looking for influencers to create unique, creative content that aligns with their brand. Be open to new ideas and be willing to work with brands to create content that will resonate with your followers. So how do we sell from our Instagram account? Facebook Instagramus, the built-in shopping feature of your Instagram account by linking your account to the store or business account. This allows you to tag products in your posts and stories, making it easier for customers to buy. Use the Instagram direct messaging feature to communicate with potential customers and receive orders. Use the Instagram Stories feature to showcase products and add a swipe up link to purchase. Use Instagram Live to virtually walk through your products, answer questions, and make sales. Collaborate with influencers to showcase your products to their audience. Use the Instagram IGTV feature to create product videos and post them with a shopping link in the description. In order to maximize your chances of success when selling products on the platform, it is important to have a clear and consistent branding and aesthetics on your Instagram account, as well as a well-defined target audience. Yes friends, I hope the detailed information I gave you about making money from Instagram, budgeting your Instagram account and how you can sell has been useful to you. If there is a video about what you want, don't forget to mention it in the comments. I would be very glad if you subscribe to my channel and post likes and comments on my video. Take care of yourself. So much from me for today. Good luck to everyone.